Where the party at? Yeah, I got the party packed. Where the baddies at? Please keep me away from where the suckers at. Yeah. Where the party at? Yeah, I got the party packed.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy King T.U.T in the building. I know it's been a minute since I dropped some content. I had a baby boy, you know what I mean? So most of my focus has just been bonding with him and make sure that he know daddy's here, and you know how it feels. But we're back and back at it. So I just got confirmation that a special delivery, besides my son, was delivered today. So if you're here, you've seen the title, you know what we're gonna be doing. So come with us. I just got off work, so come with me, ride with me. We're gonna stop off and get something to eat real quick first, and then we're gonna go to the house, and then we're gonna be doing an installation video today. So be ready. Real spit. I want to thank my subscribers. You know what I mean? I know it's not many, but the fact of the matter that you guys are subscribed to my channel, I thank you. You know what I mean? Like, share, comment on all the videos. You know, I'm trying to, you know, get this build up. You know, so I do highly appreciate the people that are subscribed to the channel. And hopefully we can get some more. You see where we're pulling up to? Okay, so this is how you remove your intake manifold off of your Dodge Charger GT V6. So you have 7 8mm bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you remove those. You're gonna need, and that's a deep socket for these two. You're gonna need a deep socket for these two. And then you're gonna need a 10mm open wrench, okay, because it's tight with a socket. So you're gonna need an open wrench. So you're gonna need a 10mm for this one, and there's a back one. That one. Okay, so you get those out. You will need to remove the harnesses on your throttle body. I didn't really take everything apart. I just kind of moved this. I just wanted to just be able to lift it up so I can get access to the ignition coils under the manifold. But you'll need a 10mm for this bolt here. There's a black one that's connecting this bracket, because you're gonna need to loosen this bracket in order to slide this way and then back out that way, so you can, like I said, get access to those 3 ignition coils. And then you got that third one right there, so it's 1, 2, 3. You'll need a 10mm socket. You're gonna need a extender just to get to that one too. So, and then there's a you will need to remove this bolt right here. So all you need is like a flat head, and you can push that little plastic piece that's holding it, push that right back, and then a 13 or 14mm socket, or even open wrench. You know what I mean? You get that off, and it'll be easier to slide the see this? This is why we gotta get a oil can catcher. You see that? So as you can see, we got everything all tightened down. Everything's back. Gonna make sure those are tight. We're gonna start it up. Hopefully, you know, we can find the screw that fell to the bottom. And then all these, everything is back where they need to be.
Where the party at? Yeah, I got the party packed. Where the baddies at? Please keep me away from where the suckers at. Yeah.